let's talk about fabric. Introducing the latest addition to the ScanNCut family. It's the ScanNCut DX and Novus Edition SDX225F. This machine, the SDX225F, has all the great features and accessories that you already love when it comes to your ScanNCut, like the large 5-inch display screen, blade sensor technology, the standard tack mat, and it's the only cutting machine with built-in scanning ability. And oh yeah, by the way, it's whisper quiet, so you can create things while the baby is sleeping or when your husband's taking a nap, even late into the night. Here's the difference. The SDX225F comes with a fabric bundle, which means you get the new fabric mat, which makes fabric cutting a cinch, and you also get a really cool fabric keychain project to get you started, and it will definitely inspire you to make even more great projects with fabric. Now, this machine is perfect for sewers and DIYers and quilters. It's what you need, really. It's fabric cutting made easy because you get the new fabric mat, and guess what else? The fabric mat and the project already come in the box, so you can get started right away. And even more good news, you don't have to buy any additional software needed to cut fabric because it's already built into your machine and ready to go with the touch of a button. And you know what else? The SDX225F can read PES and PHX files, so it's really a great crafting companion to the Brothers Stelaire and Luminaire sewing machines, which means your creativity can soar. I mean, who knows what you're gonna come up with next? I can't wait to see. So you get the fabric bundle, but the really cool part is that the thin fabric auto blade senses the material's thickness up to 3 millimeters and adjusts the pressure settings, so you don't have to. The SDX225F has over 1,300 built-in designs, 140 quilt patterns with added seam allowance, and 17 lettering fonts. Plus, it's got the built-in scanner that you know and love, so you can scan in your own artwork and your own drawings and your own designs. The SDX225F is only available at your local authorized Brother dealer. Are you ready yet? Well, go visit your Brother dealer today, because with the SDX225F, you put the fun in fabric. Let's get crafting.